My name is Emily Lynn, and I'm the co-owner here at Citybird and at Nest. Citybird's a retail store in Midtown Detroit. We sell our house line of Detroit and Michigan-themed products, as well as work by hundreds of other local and regional artists and designers. And we also have a sister store next door called Nest, where we sell housewares and gifts. Citybird started in 2005 as a product celebrating Detroit and Michigan. And then my brother and I expanded that brand into a retail store in 2009, and then we opened our sister store, Nest, next door in 2011. Inspiration for opening our brick and mortar store really came from all the excellent Michigan talent we saw when we were vending our own brand at fairs and at events throughout the state, and we were so inspired by the great makers in the state, so we really are thrilled to be able to feature so many of them in our shop. And not only is it exciting to be able to support local artists, but I think it's really important just by supporting local retail stores. More of each dollar that you spend goes into the local economy, and even more so when you're supporting local artists. People keep coming back to Citybird and Nest, I think, in part because of the nature of our products. Many things are one of a kind. We get new things in every day. A lot of the products that we make are exclusively available in our stores. And also, I think as our district here becomes sort of known for all the great retail shops that are opening up, I think that it's a destination in and of itself. We love being in Detroit, Michigan, because as lifelong seventh-generation Detroiters, we're really excited about Detroit's past and its potential future. We're really excited by all the development recently in our neighborhood here in Midtown. We were inspired by a sort of legendary retailer in Detroit when we were kids, Emily Gale, and she told us once that she loved being in Detroit because it's small enough where you can make a difference, but it's a large enough city to make a difference in the world, and that's something that's really inspired us as we've grown our business. I'm Emily Lynn, and you're watching My Destinations.